Forgiveness is the key to freedom. Freedom in your mind, freedom in your heart. Have you ever had dreams where you find yourself having to go to the restroom in a dream or wash your hands in a dream? It means you need to release something. It means you need to cleanse yourself of something or someone that God is basically downloading to you that you need to release. And sometimes that's hard, but usually in the dream, he'll also point you to how you need to do it or whom you need to release. I know that's happened in my life. And it's just the easiest thing in that case is just to repent for holding on to it. Even though you may be like, oh my gosh, I didn't really want to. This person hurt me. But just lift them up to God and say, Lord, you know what they did. You know it's hard for me to hold on to. It's hard for me to deal with this. But I know that the path of the righteous gets brighter and brighter, and that I need to forgive just like you forgave us. And you died on the cross for my sins, which is a sin to hold on to those things. And that's basically not releasing the person. The person is may not even be thinking about you anymore, but they may. Sometimes it happens. But release that person, release that thing that happened. Give it to God. So I pray for you that you release today.